When making HTTP requests in JavaScript, two popular options are the Fetch API and Axios. Both allow developers to send and receive data from a server, but they have key differences in terms of functionality, ease of use, and error handling. The Fetch API is a built-in JavaScript method for making HTTP requests. This sends a GET request to the given URL. The response from the server is received and converted into JSON format using .json. Then parsed JSON data is logged to the console. If there is an error in the request, for example a network failure, it will be caught and logged. Axios is a third-party library that simplifies HTTP requests and provides additional functionality. Notice that you don't need to convert to JSON as Axios does it for you. Axios simplifies error handling as it automatically throws an error for non-2xx responses. Key takeaways: use Fetch or Axios to make a request. Chain.then for processing responses. Use .catch to handle errors. Use async await for cleaner code. More in another video.